The M3 just changed forever, and BMW knows it's going to start a fight. Say hello to the Neue Klasse M3, the first M3 that runs on electrons. 4 motors, one at every wheel, reportedly pushing past 1,000 horsepower. Each wheel gets its own brain, torque fired or cut 1,000 times a second by a new controller BMW calls the Heart of Joy. That means torque vectoring so precise the car can rotate around a corner like it's on rails. Underneath, an 800-volt architecture and a battery north of 100 kilowatt hours. And for the purists melting down right now, breathe. BMW's keeping a petrol version alive too, an upgraded twin-turbo straight 6. Love the look or hate it, this is the M3 dragging a legend into the electric age. The future just got loud, even if it's silent.